There isn't much work to be done, and it's all done for free. I am going to dig up the list and I'll teach you how to use all of your available gadgets to make some Bitcoin passive income. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. There you have it, a hassle-free passive income that you can do from the comfort of your own home. Keep in mind that we will be using both our laptop and PC as well as our mobile device to complete this task. So first and foremost, here is what I'd like you to accomplish. First, we must set up a few things in order to produce an additional $100 while we complete the rest of the process. So how does it function? So it is basically a 4-step procedure. First, you will download the app to your mobile device, and I will let you know which app I am referring to. Then you will run it, allowing it to use your internet connection to collect data for online businesses, and that will be how you get paid. We will have 2 separate applications that essentially do the same thing. It will be a very simple way to make some extra passive income, but it will not be the major emphasis of today's video. It'll just be a bonus. The more devices you have and the more content you can share, the more money you will make. But I'm sure not everyone has 6 separate devices to utilize, and even if you just have 2, you will still be paying an extra $46 per month on this single platform. And if we use the other one as well, we will have an additional 48 hours, and here's the thing, it is only average. People can earn more than $140 every month. They will probably pay around 20 cents per gigabyte shared, and you can do the arithmetic for yourself. Honeygain.com and iproyal.com are the sites I am referring to. The procedure will follow a similar pattern. You will create a free account and use it to begin earning money. Simply create a free account with your email address, download the app to your smartphone, and leave it to operate in the background. It won't bother you, and you will be on your way to creating a new source of passive income in no time. This is merely a bonus, so let's get back to the main point of this video. To get started, go to Google Play and search for CryptoTab Browser Max Speed. Make sure you are downloading this version and not the CryptoTab Browser Pro, which will cost you around $5 to download. This edition, the Max version, is what you are searching for if you're not looking to make any investments. So how does it function? Well, that is also fairly basic. It is quite easy to use and it is also suitable for beginners. This will function in a similar manner to Google Chrome. That is, you will utilize the internet to look for different things, different topics that may interest you, and then you'll be compensated solely for your online activity because they have a built-in mining algorithm that allows you to begin mining cryptocurrencies with the power of your processor, for example, your CPU. Does this imply that it will slow down your device? Maybe, just maybe it will. However, if you're not planning on doing a lot of things on your mobile device at the same time, this is a pleasant little extra to have. The experience will be nearly identical to that of Google Chrome, so you won't be disturbed and you will not even notice that you have changed your browser. If your mobile device is not enough for you and you want to take it a step further, you may set it up on your Windows device as well. Your computer might also be a source of revenue, so let's get this party started. We are going to make money while we are on the internet. You will turn on the mining, then sit back and relax while scrolling through your newsfeed, chatting on social media, or maybe watching Netflix. The rest of the procedure will be handled by CryptoTab's mining algorithm, so you will not have to be involved or constantly check for changes. Switching to the new browser will be simple, and you'll be able to use all of your favorite Chrome extensions at the same time. As previously said, this is available for a variety of devices, so you are not limited to your personal computer. You can use your computer or even your cell phone. As you can see, the mining algorithm will use your CPU power, and it will use your processor more efficiently when the browser is open, so make sure that's turned on. So now to set it up, all you have to do is download it and install it on your device. It is also fairly simple, so you will not want my assistance anymore. There will also be a small video describing the process in case you get lost and require assistance. So let us presume you are not really into mining and want to do something productive with your time online. So how do we go about doing it? To begin, go to Cointiply.com and select the Earn Coin area. This is where the magic happens. The featured deals will be the ones with the biggest payouts. For example, they will reward you for simply completing surveys on this application or for enrolling up and depositing $15 on this application. There will be a variety of chances available to you, including paying you to test some of the most popular games that you may already tried for free, such as Castle Clash. I'm sure you have heard of this application before. Again, just by checking in every day, your activity here will be rewarded handsomely. You will be rewarded with bonuses, and the more active you are, the more money you will earn. They will be given an additional incentive for doing so, and they are rewarding their most active users since they will bring in more traffic, which will raise income. It is a win-win arrangement because they are splitting their ad money with you. There is practically nothing to lose here. They will also supply you with a faucet option, which is an additional approach to boost your passive revenue streams. And when you consider that over $7 million in free Bitcoin has already been paid to their subscribers, there is a lot of money on the table. If you are not a big lover of Bitcoin, you can still obtain some other cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Litecoin, or even Dash by playing enjoyable games online. You can earn points by viewing movies, shopping online, or signing up for a new service. It is also fascinating to see how online shopping works. You will almost certainly receive a savings simply for utilizing Cointiply. Another option to earn actual cryptocurrency is to share your thoughts about popular products and businesses, so you might as well give it a shot. Cointiply isn't just for computers. You can also use it on your mobile device if you have an Android phone. It has over 22,000 reviews on Google Play with an average rating of 4.5 stars out of 5, which is fantastic. You will come across a nasty review here now and then because not everyone will be happy with the sums they are producing. But at the end of the day, the majority of the evaluations are all positive, which is all that matters. And of course, the best way to see if this is legit and worth your time is basically to test it out. Every survey you take will pay you somewhere between $1 and $5, so the sky is the limit here. So let us see. We have been experimenting with all of these different possibilities for a while now, and we have started to generate some genuine crypto. What are our options for the future? Will you let your cryptocurrency sit in your wallet idle, or will you put it to use? Well, there is a way to boost your profits even more, and it is called crypto staking, and Crypto.com will feature one of the most rewarding programs. They will give you up to 14% on stable coins and up to 14.5% on cryptos if you deposit crypto and earn incentives. So let's just figure out the payouts. Over 40 different cryptocurrencies are supported, and as of right now, if you deposit $1,000 worth of Bitcoin over the course of 3 months or so, you will get an extra $65, which is not a lot of money, but it's money that you're making for free. To put it another way, if you do not keep your earned Bitcoins, you will lose $65. The same thing will happen if you opt to stake your Ethereum. The sum would be around the same, but other cryptocurrencies such as Tether will pay you up to 12%. On this site, you may also stake the Binance coin. Switching to Binance entirely while we are on the subject could be a good idea. The BNB coin has one of the highest market capitalizations, and the Binance exchange will present you with a plethora of opportunities. You can see all of the numerous alternatives you have by visiting to the Earn section on their webpage, which includes staking, Binance Pool, liquidity farming, and even Binance Earn, which is a one-stop investment solution. And if you want to remain on top of things, head over to the Launchpad where you can keep track of all of the newest releases as well as forthcoming projects. You can even start your own project right now on Binance, but let us take it one step at a time. So that is it for today, everyone, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.